Zero-touch enrollment is an Android enterprise feature that is used for large-scale device provisioning. It's perfect for corporate-owned, fully managed devices. Bulk enrollment is one of the cool parts. Another is that the IT admin is able to configure devices remotely, thus bringing the out-of-the-box feature to devices. So, how to set up Android Zero-touch enrollment? Let's first check out what we need. A business-used Google account is needed to bind Android Enterprise with your MDM software. In addition, Android devices purchased from Android Enterprise resellers, a Zero-touch portal account that is set and provided by your reseller, and lastly, an MDM solution that supports Zero-touch enrollment. Okay, start getting things set up. Go to Zero-touch portal console and navigate to configurations. Add a new configuration and then fill in details. There are a couple of things you need to note. 1. Make sure to select Android device policy in DPC. 2. In DPC extras, you will need to copy the configuration token from your MDM software and paste it here. Go to Device Enrollment, Zero-touch, to bind your Google account with your MDM software. Then, go to Devices, Provisioning Templates, to configure settings for devices. These settings will be applied automatically once the enrollment is finished. Go back to Zero-touch. Pick the template and copy it. Now you can paste the token in DPC extras. Next, navigate to Devices. This is where you can set up the configuration for devices. As all is done, your employee can power on the smartphone, then connect to Wi-Fi. Those preset apps will be installed automatically and policies will be enforced. As a labor-saving deployment method, Android Zero-touch enrollment makes provisioning and configuration super easy. Plus, it saves training time as employees don't have to learn how to set up their devices. For more information, please visit our official website and have a free trial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.